Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am making a delicious fish tagine with vegetables. It's a very easy and very cheap recipe to make that is ready in no time. So stay with me to find out step by step how I'm going to prepare this delicious tagine. You will find the list of all the ingredients for this recipe in the description box. In a food processor, add a quarter of green and red pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander and add 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Add 5 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt or to your liking, half a teaspoon of black pepper, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, it's optional if you don't like chili, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, half a teaspoon of red pepper paste, it's optional if you don't have some, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, half a lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And mix well until you end up with a paste mixture. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Add the onions into the tagine. If you don't have a tagine, just use any pot you have with a lid. And cover the onions with a little bit of sauce. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet and click on the bell to receive notifications. I post videos regularly. And add 3 carrots cut in slices. I highly recommend to boil the carrots 3 to 4 minutes before cooking them in the tagine. Then pour a little bit of sauce on the carrots. Then add the frozen fish. I've used cod for this recipe. Then cover well the fish with the sauce on both sides. You don't have to defrost the fish. You will have a very good result even with the frozen fish. Add 2 large potatoes cut in slices. Add 2 tomatoes cut in slices. Add 1 lemon cut in slices. And add the strips of the green and red pepper all around the tagine. Add some green olives. Then pour 120 ml of water into the leftover sauce. And mix well the sauce. Then pour the sauce on the vegetables. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like. And feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions. And finish with a drizzle of olive oil. Cover the tagine and let it cook on low heat for 30 minutes or until it's fully cooked. You will not need to add any water into the tagine as the fish and the tomato are going to release the water. If you don't use the tagine, keep an eye on the food, and if you need to add some water, add a little bit at a time. Taste the sauce and season if necessary. Et voilà, the tagine is ready. It looks so good, and believe me, it tastes amazing. So make sure to try it and leave me a comment to let me know how it turned out for you. Bon appétit! I hope you liked this recipe, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon for new recipes.